Alright, hello, welcome back to another episode of Hearts of Iron. Last episode, a lot changed. I gotta mute TeamSpeak. Give me a second.
Sound muted. Microphone activated.
Alright, well that was probably... So, I reloaded the save. And I made it so we're gonna invade them. I'm not gonna go to war with the Entente. This, kind of ruins my lore here. So my troops are in position. Okay. And we're gonna start influencing the Baltic. They might have dug in on the north, but really the north is kind of just a distraction at this point. Who the fuck am I at war with? Oh, I don't know what the fuck this is. As soon as we take Prague, that's gonna be a key point to victory here. Let's take Pleasant, let's take that airport. Alright. Let's try to reach their fortifications before they do. Also, there's gaps in the line, but yet my men are not exploiting it to the way I'd want. Looks like they do have tank divisions, which changes my plan a little bit. What are we at? How are they not capitulated yet? It's kind of ridiculous. Aha! Alright, can I manage occupied territory? Hungary. There you go, Hungary. No problemo. Hungary, you're a great friend. And although that you're a puppet of a different country, you're still a great friend. Alright, resource-wise, we need a shit ton of oil. And looks like... Alright. We're at 1 point. Yeah, we can't do much there. Ten. Yeah. I'm gonna get 2 panzers going. Yeah. Reich-restoration, or whatever the fuck it's. Poland, you're an ass. Could do that, and that directly starts the war, but set up another Reichsprotectorate. Okay, we annex Bohemia. Let's send them a crap ton of guns. Artillery, sure, you can have a few shit ton of units for that. That was a bad move, Poland. Warsaw's already fallen. After a quick campaign, German troops surrounded the Polish Shelling German troops are able to take the city with only minor occupation now. Our eastern territories are secured. We can focus on France or to push into the Soviet Union. It's not secured yet. The war isn't over. I don't get cocky. But, I mean, yeah, Poland's basically done. The last airport, this area is taken. What the hell? Nope, we definitely cannot do trade with you because you're kind of our enemy. Not yet, but will be. Soviets took out Latvia, which is kind of scary. Well, we gave the Soviets more land, but we did agree to that deal. It's time to repair the crappy infrastructure of this country. Yeah, you can be sovereign for now. Now let's bring this army back. Belgium's not in the faction, but it's probably a good idea if we bring troops back around. So our country's getting big. I'm fine with Lithuania being its own country. It's kind of a buffer state. I gave them a bunch of guns early on, and they used it. Chile was annexed. But it looks like they set up a puppet state. Colombia Wars basically had no update on that shit. What do you need more of? Rubber I can get rid of. Okay. Oil, I guess Transcaucasia is not doing too well. Warning, this may cause French intervention. I don't really care about the French. They can screw a fucking pooch for all I care. Your little faction of goons won't scare me. And this land is rightfully French, so if you want to cause issues with that, then we can go right to war and I'll annex your ass just as fast as I annexed everyone else's. In fact, I'm gonna be ready, just in case. It's better to be safe than sorry. Okay, we don't have to worry about oil overseas anymore. Go strict convoy. It's good. We got 2 more mechanized. It's my alarm, but I think it's fair to say that we should not end an episode on such a cliffhanger. I think we should see if we're gonna win this. And if they think that they can do a little intervention, well, then they got another thing coming, because this is my entire army stacked up. Probably not a good idea. I probably should patrol my ports, but, you know, we got this. Let's wait out the response. Referendum. Come on. Aha! But we will continue this next episode. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. And remember to like, comment, subscribe if you'd like to see more Hearts of Iron. This is Alex, and this has been Rage Hunter Gaming.